We're here today to talk about an exciting new addition to the Youth Skincare family, introducing Youth Restoring Eye Treatment. This eye treatment is an essential treatment and add-on to the entire Youth collection. The eyes are often the first place you will notice aging on your face, and the truth is, the eyes don't lie. So I'm going to let you in on how this eye cream actually works to get you brighter, more youthful looking eyes. Restoring Eye Treatment is more than just an eye cream. It is truly a corrective treatment that works on the skin from the cellular level to deliver powerful anti-aging benefits and visible solutions to tired, dry, or puffy eyes. And with regular use, it not only brightens and revitalizes your eyes, but it improves suppleness and firmness of the eye contour as well. And don't worry, it's been ophthalmologist and dermatologist tested, and it's also non-comedogenic, which means it's specifically formulated so it won't cause any blocked pores. Plus, it's been tested and it's safe for those with contact lens wearers. So, now, I'm going to let you in on another little scoop. We've got Virginie Descamps, and I'd love to welcome her today. She is our global beauty lead, and she is here, and she is going to let us in on all of the wonderful ingredients to this wonderful treatment product. Hi, Virginie.
Hi, Nancy. Hi, everyone. Thank you for having me.
Oh, thank you for being here. I'm so anxious to hear about all these ingredients.
Well, I'm here to tell you all about it. And for those of you who've been using the Youth Advanced Anti-Aging Regimen, you know how the Youth Complex works. It delivers fast and real results without compromise. So we have included powerful ingredients from the Youth Complex in this new eye cream. But because the eye area is so special, it's very delicate, it's very thin, it's very fragile, we have also included brand new ingredients with wonderful benefits. And let me tell you first what we expect from this eye cream. When you wake up in the morning or at the end of a very long day, what do you want an eye cream to do? You want it to reduce puffiness and the appearance of dark circles. That's where the fatigue and the stress shows. So for this, we have wonderful botanical ingredients. We have Schizandra chinensis fruit extract from the Youth Complex, as well as licorice extract. The licorice is known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. So this combination of powerful botanicals really helps with the eye area, the puffiness, and the dark circles. So use it in the morning or use it at night, and you will see your eye area will be brighter, will be smoother. And because we have a special cooling tip, not only the formula works really hard, but the cooling tip is going to enhance the benefits from that formula. So the soothing effect of the cooling tip is something that you feel instantly, morning or night. But we want that eye cream to do a lot more. Because the eye area is so thin and delicate, you need to protect it from the environment, and you also need to keep it hydrated and moisturized. So we do that with the Vital Repair Plus complex, because you know about those anti-aging benefits, but also with hyaluronic acid. That ingredient is known for its moisturizing effect, its long-term hydration, and it's also protective. So when you go out about your day, whether you're changing temperature, you're changing environment, you want to make sure the eye area is well protected and it's cushioned. So that's what we do with those two powerful ingredients.
Oh, I absolutely love hyaluronic acid. I know that is such a great ingredient, and especially for around the eye. So I'm so happy this formula has that.
Yeah, and of course, if the eye area is well hydrated, you're also going to notice that your eye makeup is going to last longer. So that's an added benefit.
Well, that's definitely an added benefit if I don't have to touch it up.
And as you said earlier, it's an all-in-one treatment. So we wanted to make sure that we would deliver anti-aging benefits as well. So the anti-aging benefits come from a wonderful peptide blend. Peptides are really special. Peptides are made out of amino acids, and when they form a group of amino acids, they become proteins. Proteins such as collagens are the scaffold of your skin, so you want to make sure that you have enough of them and you replenish as time passes by. So peptide blend. It's not always easy to pronounce.
I love peptides now. I just absolutely love them.
So those peptide blends actually are going to add a lot of firmness and elasticity to your skin. So you're going to see a reduction in the number of wrinkles. You're going to see a reduction in the depth of those wrinkles and fine lines. And it also helps with the eyelid sagging.
Oh, fantastic. Great. Yes, because with each passing birthday, the eyelids are kind of coming down a bit. So this is great.
So it's definitely an all-in-one treatment. It's for all ages, and you can share it with your mother, you can share it with your daughter, you can share it with your husband, because of course men are going to steal your eye cream.
Yes, actually, you know, that is the funny thing, is that men are totally into eye cream. It's such an easy product to use. Sometimes they don't want to put something all over their face, but boy, an eye cream, that's, as we all know, first signs of aging is where that's appears. So yeah.
There you go.
Great. Awesome. Virginie, thank you so much for sharing all of this information. I am absolutely in love with this product. I'm just so excited that we now have an eye treatment as part of the Youth Advanced Anti-Aging Regimen. So to add that in, it's really exciting.
Thank you, Nancy.
Thank you for having us here today and coming in. Okay, so I want to go ahead and invite in some of our people that have been trying this product. They have wonderful testimonials. And the first up is Pam. Welcome, Pam. Come on in and everything.
Hi, Nancy.
Great. Thank you for coming in today.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Well, of course. Now, I know that you were a big fan of the Youth Advanced Anti-Aging Regimen, right?
I was. I was participated in the trial last summer before it was introduced. I used it for a month and could not believe how much better my face looked and felt.
Yes.
And I ran out of product waiting for it to introduce and could not wait to have it back.
That's great. And so now that it's been back, I remembered that you were thinking, okay, I absolutely love this product. I thought, who better to try this new eye treatment than Pam? And so she's been trying it, and we have a couple of before and afters. We have a before and after of Pam. I know. And tell us, how did you like the eye treatment?
Well, I liked the eye treatment. It has a very nice cooling effect. It keeps my eyes feeling moist and alert all day.
Wonderful.
My eye makeup stays on better than it did before. No creasing, no smudging. And I wasn't quite sure it was working because, you know, you see your face day in and day out and you just don't notice. But you showed me my pictures, and that was the proof. I could tell then it was working.
And I do have to say, Pam was sort of like, I'm not sure. And then I said, well, let's take a look at the before and after pictures, which is another reason it's so important to do that, because you may not notice those subtle differences. And this was just really after 30 days, right?
30 days. Yep, that's all.
And
30
so
days.
And so you're loving incorporating this eye treatment into your system.
I've got the whole thing going now.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Well, you look great, and I really appreciate you coming on and sharing your testimonial.
You're very welcome.
Great. So we also have Nicole, who has been using the eye treatment. And Nicole, please come on and tell us about your experience. So great to see you today, too.
To see you.
Yes.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, of course. I'm so happy you're here because I know you had such a great experience with the eye treatment. And so tell us a little bit about that.
I have. I've loved the feeling and the texture of the cream. It stays on you all day, and everything feels so nice and moist, and like Pam had said, makeup stays on all day. You don't have to run to the bathroom to touch yourself up in between meetings.
Right.
It just really works wonderfully all day. And when I take it off or I wash my face, I just can't wait to put it back on again because it just feels really good.
And I know Nicole especially loved the cooling applicator tip.